I don't know anybody who can look at a field of sunflowers and not put a smile on their face. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am standing in what was a bee hotspot. You need pollinators for your garden. And pollinators are your bees. So if you feed them, they'll come and then they will help pollinate your other plants. So right now it's the time of year where I'm harvesting the sunflowers. And for you, your sunflowers might start to look a little bit dry and droopy and maybe indicating they are ready for a harvest. You don't have to do anything to your sunflowers. You can just leave them and let the wildlife enjoy them for the end of the season. Or you can cut them off at the stem and hang dry them for a couple of weeks. So the first thing I'm going to do is tie this string around the stem of the sunflower. So as I pull, it will get tighter. And that way when I cut it, I'll be able to hold it and hang it very easily. Because this stem is only a ½ inch, I was thinking I'd try this poly pipe cutter. If you're ever wondering what is on the inside of a sunflower stem, this is it. It looks like the birds are getting to this one. I'm going to cut this down before all the sunflower seeds are gone. When it's ready for harvest, the flowers are just going to fall off, and you can do that before you hang dry your sunflower seeds so that all of these sunflowers will get really dry and there'll be no moisture at all in this plant. I've seen some really beautiful birds this year. This was my mutant sunflower. This sunflower was really cool looking. So I'm going to label these ones mutant sunflower seeds because they were crazy this year. Anyways, I'll let the birds eat the rest of this one. So I'm using this tin foil I got from a dollar store so that I can just throw the seeds on here, and eventually I will put them into a sealed glass jar. So all of these sunflowers are going to feed the birds over the winter. I kept a lot of sunflowers. I'm looking at my sunflower row right here. I kept a lot of them on the stem. There might be a better way to do this. If you have a better way, let me know in the comments below. I don't know what type of sunflower this was. There's about 70 different species of sunflowers. These sunflowers came in a packet that I got off the back of a cereal box. So this was a sunflower packet that was mailed to me. And you can see Honey Nut Cheerios, bee-friendly sunflower mix. So hopefully a lot of people ended up getting those packets so that they all planted sunflowers and increased the bee population. These are the Kong sunflower seeds. This sunflower got up to about 12 to 14 feet this year. So I'm just gonna leave these sunflower seeds on the tray. If you're thinking about growing sunflowers next year, just give it a try. They're beautiful to look at. They bring a lot of birds and song to your yard. They provide food for our pollinators, and we need the bees.